May I plead to Lordship? My lord, with the concept of the other side, my lord, I'm appealing for the petitioner. I need some time, my lord, for item number 3 and 4, my lord.
When?
But need to some preparation, my lord.
What preparation?
My lord, today, my lord, lots of cases are there listed in the.
Oh, we have not more than this court.
My lord.
Not more than this
My
court.
lord, yes, my lord, this is the list today, my
No,
lord.
I have
Yes, my lord.
2 lists.
I know it.
Then?
Some other day, my lord. I also taken the concept of Mr. Mohanto also.
On the prayer of Mr. S.P. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. Take again, Riva. The matter stands adjourned. So, registry to list this matter Thursday. Very good.
May I please, Your Lordship? Okay, in respect of item number 40, my lord, I have filed an affidavit in reply, my lord, last Friday. But, my lord, I have committed wrong in designation, my lord, because if your
On the
lordship.
prayer of Mr. S. Sharma, learned counsel.
No, I am not sought any adjournment, my lord. I just call the record, call for the affidavit.
I have not gone through. We'll see it together.
And, my lord, I may be allowed to correct the designation.
That you do there.
Adjournment,
They are not-
adjournment.
Sharma, matter stands adjourned. Registry to list this matter again on 24/2026.
My lord.
You get it.
Yes, my lord.
May I please, Your Lord?
Lordship,
For 2 ladies before me, whom should I give preference?
May-
I
For you,
beg to mention, I beg to mention item number 2. Actually, engaged counsel further was expired.
Huh?
Only, yes,
Petitioner.
You are for Mr. Odigari.
Odigari, yes.
What happened?
His further was expired.
You are ready otherwise, Miss. You are ready.
Please, Your Honor.
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. R. Adhikari, Lanat CGC, appearing for the respondents on the ground, for an adjournment in the matter on the ground that he is in bereavement. Prayer is not objected to by Ms. T. Wap Angla, right? Learned counsel for the petitioner. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again on. When will he join back? After Bihu.
Bihu.
On 21/4/2026. What?
Lordship,
20
next week of the
28. Okay. 28/4/2026.
May I please, Your
Yes, madam.
May I please, Your Lordship? I'd like to mention item number 48. This matter may kindly be adjourned for a day. I've taken the consent of PNRD department.
Why?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of JUNM Lashkar, Lordship. He's out of station.
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. JUNM Loskar for an adjournment in the matter on the ground that he is out of station. I accepted registry to list this matter after 2 weeks.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, item number 20. I beg to mention, I have instructions to withdraw the case. Item 20.
Why? Why?
I have instructions from the
Why?
petitioner. I'm not sure, Lordship.
You're not in the case.
I'm appearing on behalf of G. Bora.
Ask Ms. G. Bora to make the matter.
Okay, much obliged.
Okay, item
Yes.
74
Huh?
of the item 74 of the supplementary list. That Lordship may not like to take up.
Why?
Lordship appeared as a counsel for the petitioner in that.
That means I know the facts very well.
Yes.
On registry to list this matter before any other bench without.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. May I beg to mention my item number 36 of the daily list, Your Lordship.
Why on a Monday mentioning?
Lordship, herein its petitioner has been selected in the Central Armed Police Forces and conducted by the SSC.
No AIU has been, no affidavit has been filed.
No affidavit has been filed.
You
Yet.
be here when the matter is called up, we'll ask them to file it.
I've been instructed to withdraw the matter
Why?
from the petition because he has already been selected in
He has already been selected.
subsequent another advertisement, Your Lordship, for this. Does not want to pursue it.
Item number?
36, Your Lordship.
You are there in the case.
Yes.
Your name?
J.K. Roy, Your Lordship.
Mr. J.K. Roy, learned counsel for the petitioner on instructions, submits that the petitioner desires not to press the matter. Accordingly, he prays that he be permitted to withdraw the present petition. Prayer accepted. Petition stands dismissed.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes, madam.
Your Lordship, beg to mention item 12. I appear on behalf of Miss M. Das. My senior is out of station. I pray for accommodation.
Okay, prayer, Ms. M. Das. What Marisona?
Item 12.
12. Yes,
I beg to mention item 35, may kindly pass over for the day.
35. No possible. Rejected.
Maybe taken up after some time, Mr. Boris. Opinion.
It's only impleading.
Yes, that's all.
Yes.
Lordship, maybe Lordship, Lordship, in this case, the petitioner joined the CRPF as a constable, Lordship. Constable General Duty in the year 1989.
Contempt.
Lordship, the petitioner was upset by the promotion given to him under the category of 10% unqualified quota. Lordship, Lordship, but the colleague of the petitioner was a part of the same incident.
Let Mr. Roy come. Let Mr. Roy. Yes.
Lordship, may kindly take up item number 7 first, madam.
Lordship, my senior, Mr. A. Sharma is on election on another court. Kindly pass
On
on
the
the
prayer
typing
of the learned counsel for the parties registry to list this matter after the ensuing Bihu vacations.
Madam, only one prayer, madam.
We can't, we have many matters.
Yes, ma'am.
We can't wait.
That I know of it, madam.
Matter not to be not treated as parted and or tied up matter with this court.
Madam, in this item, madam, 7, madam, they have not filed affidavit. They are-
I'm praying for passing over, Lordship.
Obliged.
We can't, we have many matters today, we can't.
Obliged.
Please, your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sawant.
My lord, it's a family pension matter, my lord. The husband of the petitioner was, my lord, appointed in the year 1988, February, in the month of February. Thereafter, after completion of 15 years, 5 months, my lord, he was regularized on 23/5
It will be
and
It-
oh, my lord,
Repeat.
my lord, sorry, my lord, my number is 9, my lord.
Oh, that's what. ठीक है. 8. I know. No?
Sorry.
Wait, yeah. Sorry.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Who is appearing for the respondent?
The earlier, Mr.
Hmm?
Or
You have filed your affidavit.
respondent.
Yes, why the delay? The things culminated in 2003.
Yeah, ma'am.
Year before this court in 2021. Why the delay? Where is your explanation for delay? And who is opposing you for the state here?
My lord,
Who is the state council?
State Council,
Not Kachar Hills.
from
They
Divisional, my
appeared
lord.
on a counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Borough, learned standing counsel, AG department. Appearing for standing counsel, AG. Some. There is no representation on behalf of the respondents number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. For the ends of justice, registry to list this matter again after the ensuing vacations.
Obliged.
Matter relates to the promotion of the petitioner, Lordship, in the secretariat. Lordship, I
Now
can-
tell me,
Yes.
What happened? No respondent counsels today. Mr. Hawk,
They are coming, they came. Lordship.
Mr. Hawk,
Lordship.
you were appointed by the undersecretary
Of the.
of the this one. Where is your appointment or recognition of your appointment by the Secretary and Administration Department? Were you included in the gradation list at any point of time?
No gradation list
Then-
available with me.
Yes, what
But
is this?
Lordship, I have. they have
Mr. Fukan will continue.
Lordship.
You have said, Mr. Fukan, that you have done nothing in his case. Means he is not in the that Secretariat Administration
Exactly.
pool.
His appointment.
Nothing.
Hello.
Whether he was there in the gradation list thereafter.
That instruction.
Yes.
That instruction
Yes.
also don't have.
Oh, why did you appoint him? How did you appoint him?
Lordship, how did we appoint him, Lordship? That is not clear in this affidavit in opposition,
Ah,
Lordship.
then why are you now pushing the buck to the Secretary of Administration? You promote him. If you have appointed him, promote him.
There is no scope of promotion
Then
in our
why did you-
department.
Why did you
In-
appoint him?
in
There was
irrigation.
no scope of appointment also. Because the rules are of 1963
Lordship.
and the appointing authority is the Chief Secretary, not the Undersecretary.
Yeah, the undersecretary has appointed, Lordship.
Now, how will you pay his pension and pensionary benefits?
That
Because
is,
his problem will now be compounded after he retires. Because SAD will say he's not an employee, we are not paying him.
Many of the employee lordship similar situation.
Similar,
lordship,
that is
they have
different. That
appointed
is
them.
different. They are there in the gradation list. You have not said that you are there in the gradation list. Earlier round of litigation is on a different footing altogether.
This
My Lord
question
Justice,
has been covered.
Suman
Justice
Shyam's
Has
order.
been paragraph 22. This
I
is
know,
covered.
but that is on a different footing altogether. You are not covered by that.
No, that case, fellow, that was regarding the pre-amended rules. From where it has come.
No, that is because in 15 there was certain or directions passed, so it was not complied with. So they were asked to comply with. Now, Mr. Hawk, tell me, and Mr. You get your instructions, we'll take it up in the second half. How is he there? I want that. Where is his name in the, whether his name is there in the gradation list?
Lordship,
Today.
Lordship may not be possible today, Lordship. Lordship
Then
knows.
you come and tell me it's not possible, we'll ask your secretary to come on.
Lordship,
What is this? A man is kept hanging like
this
this
aspect,
from
Lordship, is
21. You file an affidavit and say, no, it is up to the SAD. How do you connect him to the SAD? How do you connect him to the SAD?
because
You have appointed him.
Lordship,
He is regular appointee.
Lordship.
He has to be given a status now. Where?
Yeah, in fact, Lordship, there is no grade 3 post in our irrigation department in the secretariat.
Then you
Lordship.
bring him to your chief engineer's office and promote him there.
So, Lordship may fix the matter after vacation, Lordship. I have to file
You will
a
do
detailed
nothing. You will
affidavit,
do
Lordship.
nothing, Mr. On the prayer of Mr. N. Upadhyay, Learned Standing Counsel, Irrigation Department, to place on record documents to reflect that, to highlight that the petitioner, after his appointment by in the irrigation department, was included within the
Secretary.
cadre of the Secretariat service, and his name also figured in the gradation list published from time to time of grade 4 employees working in the Secretariat Administration Department. Also, register to list this matter again on 6/4/2026 for further hearing.
6/4. Lordship,
1 week. When you ask your people to come along, we'll talk to them directly. What is this 2021? This matter is pending. 2014? No. This matter is for 21, 5 years now, nothing.
Lordship,
Just file an affidavit and say, no, it's up to the SAD. How will the SAD come in? Show me. You just show the connection, we'll catch Mr. Fukan.
Lordship,
Till that time, Mr. Fukan cannot be brought in.
Lordship.
Mr. Hawk, you also get
I will try.
you withdraw this. Otherwise, there is no way out. You have not rectified it till now. I'll have to dismiss.
I have filed an.
You have filed an affidavit that Rajat Gogoi has signed. What is the significance of that? Nothing.
My lord, that's why, my lord, I have brought this affidavit to part of the, my lord, writ petition.
No,
This
you have
present-
not brought a fresh affidavit. You said affidavit is signed by Rajat Gogoi. It cannot be, Mr.
My lord, that part has been brought into the record.
Where?
Next page, my lord. Then, please, my lord.
Fresh affidavit has been brought on record.
That statement I have made, my lord.
No, statement will not do. That affidavit has to be changed. You will have to file an IA. Praying for amendment of the writ petition. Bringing in a new thing.
My lord, that is one issue, my lord, because
Because I can't. It's not by. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
affidavit cannot be, my lord, corrected, rectified.
No, you.
And additional
Mr.
affidavit can be-
Chaudhary, what has happened here is one Rajiv Gogoi has instituted this writ petition.
Rajiv-
Everything on Rajiv Gogoi. Affidavit also, I say Rajiv Gogoi, so and so, so and so, so and so. But when it is signed by some Rajat Gogoi. And he files an affidavit, and therein also Mr. Paying is very fair, straightforward. So he says, no, that affidavit actually was signed by Rajat Gogoi, not by me. Now, whether we can consider that writ petition? We can't. Now, what is the way out? He should file an amended writ petition.
In fact, that is out of the question. Perhaps the best way out for him would be to withdraw this petition.
Withdraw and file afresh.
That is, my lord, because, my lord,
Because-
what my
Amended means that thing
Amend-
remains.
amendment, that's why, my lord, this additional affidavit. Generally, my lord-
Additional affidavit, Rajat Gogoi's affidavit, how can we say?
No, my lord, to rectify that, what happened, my lord, to be fair, Rajat Gogoi.
We are not proceeding.
No, no.
You have been fair. We are
But
not proceeding. It is a mistake.
Rajat Gogoi.
And now if I have to proceed, I'll not only proceed against you, I'll have to proceed against my office people. I'll have to proceed against that notary who had notarized this affidavit.
Then, my lord, I may be allowed to file an, my lord, IA for correction of this. IA for correction, then, my lord, they're changing the affidavit. Otherwise, it will. What happened, my lord?
Why I am restraining is that he has made out a good case,
Yes, yes.
but I am now handicapped. On the prayer of Mr. J. Pang,
I may be allowed to file an, my lord,
J. Pang, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that he be permitted to take steps for proper rectification of the defects noticed in the affidavit, in the writ petition. Also, register to list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by you.
Otherwise.
May please your lordship, I am the petitioner, the termination from the Anganwadi worker. lordship.
What happened to that post? It is filled up.
The no lordship, vacant lordship.
Second. How old are you now?
The lordship. The termination on lordship, the 10/11/2022 lordship. And to focus notice lordship, the petitioner paragraph wise reply.
To me, who was the, why did you project one Bobita Das as a president? She is not an approved. That body was never approved.
Lordship, in the focus notice, here all the documents are annexed with
We are
the
not
reply.
satisfied. Come to page 23.
Lordship. 23 lordship. Bobita
That is
Roy.
the reply.
Yes. First reply, lordship. First focus notice reply, lordship. Only liaison lordship, the public application lordship. But in the affidavit, not annex the public complaint lordship.
Not very sanguine. This is just an honorary appointment. What more is required? And the allegations are very serious against you.
Lordship. One chance to lordship. But who focus noted at paragraph wise lordship the reply.
Where is the
submitted before the
response?
authority, Lordship.
You. Boycott করে দিন। ঠান্ডা বতর। You argue, nobody is there. You argue.
Lordship.
Why should I allow your writ petition? Convince me.
Lordship. Lordship, with the page, Lordship, 18, Lordship.
My
The
lord,
first focus notice, Lord.
pass for the time being, Your Honor.
No time being today.
Yes, I thought.
Lordship,
Why the government advocates are not here? Huh? Should this court wait? If not interested, don't come. We will hear the petition and do what is required. Yes, you.
Lordship. Lordship, the first focus notice, page 18, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, in the reply of the focus notice,
Hmm.
only said that Lordship, the not satisfactory reply.
That is why they gave you a second show cause notice.
The Lordship. Second, Lordship.
Hmm.
Second, Lordship, also the not satisfactory reply. The
Naturally.
same, Lordship.
Now you show me why it is
The
satisfactory.
Lordship, the petitioner reply with documents, Lordship.
Where is that letter of the president?
President letter is not annexed, Lordship.
Okay.
Page 30 is the Lordship second reply, Lordship.
You are N. Ahmed.
And Ahmed, Lordship.
But Mr. N. Ahmed, non-counsel for the petition. None appears for the respondents. Also, the petitioner, by way of instituting the present petition, has presented a challenge to an order dated 10/11 to 2022. Issued by the Director, Women and Child Development, Assam, requiring the CDPO, Sri Jan Gram ICDS project, Bongaigaon, to terminate the voluntary service of the petitioner herein with immediate effect. Also, the petitioner has also presented a challenge to the consequential order, a consequential communication dated 10/11/2022, passed by the jurisdictional CDPO, Child Development Project of dismissing the petitioner from her post of Anganwadi worker. Also, as projected in the writ petition, the petitioner was engaged as a Anganwadi worker in Fauzdari Devanpara Anganwadi Center, via a communication dated 5/10/1993 on honorary basis. The petitioner thereafter continued in her services as a Anganwadi worker in terms of a said order of engagement. In terms of a said engagement. Full stop. The jurisdictional Child Development Project Officer, via a show cause dated 24/8/2022, required the petitioner to show cause with regard to the allegations leveled against her therein. Also, the petitioner submitted her reply to the said show cause on 30/8/2022. Also, denying the allegations leveled against her. The said reply submitted by the petitioner not being found to be satisfactory, another opportunity was extended to the petitioner to put on record her clarification with regard to the issues raised. They said show cause was so issued on 2/9/2022. The petitioner responded to the said show cause by via her reply dated This is reply dated.
In one Shokas Lordship, which was of 16/8/22, the reply was on 22/8/22, Lordship. In our reply, we have stated.
38/20/22. The said reply as submitted by the petitioner along with her earlier reply were taken into consideration by the Director, Women and Child Development Assam, and thereafter by drawing a conclusion that due to the malified intention on the part of the petitioner, the normal works of the Anganwadi Center in question was hampered, proceeded to direct the jurisdictional CDPO to terminate the voluntary service of the petitioner herein. Also, in terms of the direction issued by the Director, Women and Child, Assam-wide, the order dated 29/10/2022, the jurisdictional CDPO proceeded wide communication dated 10/11/2022 to relieve the petitioner from the Anganwadi Center with effect from 10/11/2022. Being aggrieved, the petitioner has instituted the Mr. N. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, by reiterating the facts noticed herein above, submitted that the petitioner has not. A petitioner, on being asked to show cause, had promptly replied in the reply. I had promptly submitted a reply in the matter and had dealt with the allegations leveled against her. He submits that the respondent authorities, without properly appreciating the contentions raised by the petitioners in her replies, as submitted to the show causes issued, had proceeded to terminate the services of the petitioner wide issuance of the impugned order dated 29/10/2022 and the consequential communication dated 10/11/2022. He submits that in the event there was any misconduct committed by the petitioner herein, the respondent authorities ought to have instituted a due proceeding, ought to have held an inquiry in the matter and provided an opportunity to the petitioner to have her say there, to have a say therein, and only thereafter it was permissible for the respondents to draw conclusions with regard to commission of misconduct by the petitioner in the matter. Also, Ms. N. Bhattchaji, additional. Ms. Bhattchaji, additional senior government advocate appearing for the respondents, has submitted that a public complaint was received against the petitioner on 8/8/2020. And therein it was alleged that the petitioner was irregular in her presence in the Anganwadi Center and also was irregular in distribution of articles. Other allegations of mismanagement of petitioner and negligence duty as an Anganwadi worker in the said Anganwadi Center had come on record. It is submitted that the petitioner was found absent on a inspection made in the Anganwadi Center by the jurisdictional CDPO. She further submits that basing on the materials coming on record against the appellant, against the petitioner, so-called notices came to be issued to her. However, the replies submitted by the petitioner are not being found to be satisfactory. Her service, she came to be her engagement as voluntary engagement as came to be terminated, and the petitioner was relieved from the said Anganwadi Center. It is further submitted by Ms. Bhattchaji that the services of the Anganwadi worker is basically honorary in nature, and as the petitioner had failed to perform her duties in the manner required, leading to inconvenience being caused to the public at large, the action on the part of the respondent authorities in terminating the services of petitioner would not mandate any interference from the. I've heard the learned counsel for the parties and also peruse the materials available on board. The allegations, first of all, as noticed here in above, allegations have been come on record with regard to the discharge of her duties as an Anganwadi worker in number 11 Fauzdar Devanpara Anganwadi Center, show cause notices came to be issued, and therein the deficiencies in rendering services by her in the said Anganwadi Center was noticed. Further, anomalies which had come to the notice of the authorities with regard to the functioning of the Anganwadi Center in question was also highlighted. Also, the petitioner is found to have submitted her replies to in the matter. However, the said replies were not found to be satisfactory. And accordingly, the Director of Social Welfare Assam, wide order dated 29/10/2022 on an appreciation of the materials coming on, proceeded to issue a direction to the jurisdictional CDPO to terminate the voluntary service of the petitioner as an Anganwadi worker of the Anganwadi work in question with immediate effect. So the jurisdictional CDPO wide communication dated 10/11/2022, in terms of the directions passed by the Director, Women and Child Development, wide order dated 29/10/2022, proceeded to relieve her from the said Anganwadi Center. Also, while the petition has contended that it is found that the allegations coming on record against the petitioner were put to her wide issuance of show cause notices, and the petitioner had also submitted her reply in the matter. The learned counsel for the petitioner has not demonstrated before this court that the conclusions drawn by the Director of Women and Child Welfare Mechanism, Women and Child Development, are perverse in as much as perverse, and that the petitioner had met with all the allegations leveled against her, and the conclusion and accordingly the conclusions drawn in the matter by the Director of Social Welfare, Women and Child Welfare, would not be sustainable. Also, this court has perused the allegations leveled against the petitioner in the show causes issued to her on 24/8/2022 and 2/9/2022, and find that the allegations relate to the manner of discharge of duties by the petitioner in the said Anganwadi Center. Also, it is known that also it is an accepted fact that the Anganwadi work that an Anganwadi worker is engaged on honorary basis for implementing the governmental schemes for the welfare of the children in the coverage area of the Anganwadi Center in question, as well as Anganwadi Center in question. Also, the allegations leveled against the petitioner reveal that she has not been functioning in the manner, she's discharging her duties in the manner required as a Anganwadi worker, and thereby depriving the children of the area from the various beneficial schemes being extended by the government for their welfare. Also, in view of the above discussion, this court is of the considered view that the termination of the services of the petitioner, termination of the honorary services of the petitioner as an Anganwadi worker by the impugned order dated so and so, and the communication dated 10/11/2022, would not mandate an interference, and accordingly, the present writ petition is held to be devoid of any merit and same consequently dismissed. Sorry.
Diploma.
Wait, please, your lordship. On the last occasion, Mr. Goswami was supposed to lay before the sound court the instructions.
Your Lordship may be kindly pass over the matter for time being. Conducting counsel is on his way.
We are waiting for his instructions from 27 to 26. Hopefully today it will come. And
for
I
his
want him
convenience.
before 1 o'clock, because if not, I'll have the secretary at 2 o'clock.
May I please? Lordship, during pendency of this writ petition, my lord, the personnel department issued
Were
executive
you
order.
before
my
this
lord.
court?
Personnel department, my lord, issued
Your
executive order.
case is not even considered by anything. We are not
Yes, my lord.
going for.
I comply, in compliance of the executive order, I submitted my
You withdraw
particulars,
this.
my lord.
You withdraw this. We are not going to pass a
My lord,
petition.
I
Withdraw this. We have not.
withdraw, my lord, I am
Yes.
Lordship,
waiting for.
that
But
is
Mr.
2012.
H.L. Oscar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. H.L. Oscar, learned counsel for the petitioner, on instruction submit that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition. In view of the subsequent developments taking place in the matter. Prayer is not objected to by Ms. M. Bachaji, learned additional senior government advocate, appearing for the respondent. Accordingly, the present writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Most of them.
Ms. A.
Yes, you will.
Now appears for country and planning council,
Irrigation department.
huh? Irrigation department.
Most of them.
Obviously.
Yes,
Lordship, the learned counsel is on legs, Lordship.
there is no other council. Who is the learned council?
Here, Tavildar.
What is his instructions? Any instructions he has received?
I don't know. Any idea?
Take it up. Officer.
Obliged, sir.
What have you done, madam?
May please your lordship, I am here on behalf of Standing Council of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Kotoke. Because of high BP, she is not able to attend the honorable court today.
A prayer is made on behalf of, hope she is fine now.
Much better.
A prayer is made on behalf of high BP. Ms. A. Gayan, learned standing council, animal husbandry and Kotogi, sorry. Standing council, animal handler, for an adjournment in the matter on the ground that she is in this prayer accepted, registered to list this matter again on. They would be on back 22, 4, 22.
Much better.
I got a term here, Mr. Bhuyan, just
My lord.
for my understanding.
My lord.
Hafizia Wakaf.
My lordship knows, my lord. My lordship has seen that in our mosques.
What is the speciality about a normal Wakaf and a Hafizia Wakaf? Wakaf.
No, my lord, Wakaf is a. my
Where
lord-
I got something, Hafizia,
Yes, my lord.
Hafizia Madrasa, sorry.
Hafizia Madrasa is a.
And what is the difference between a normal Madrasa?
Normal
Same
madrasa,
thing.
yes. My lord, it is very easy, my lord. In an Hafizia madrasa, only theological and religious education is being.
That is there also in a Madrasa, normal with the.
No.
It's
In
not there.
normal madrasas, my lord, my lordship knows in earlier provincial senior madrasa was there,
No, I'm not on that.
my lord.
normal sense,
Normal.
in a normal course,
Yes, yes, yes.
forget this provincializing thing.
My lord, my lord.
Madrasas can be established.
Yes, yes.
What is the difference between a normal madrasa, normal,
Hafizia.
not and a Hafizia madrasa?
Hafizia Madrasa, my lord, those people after, my lord, complete memorizing the Quran, they come out as a Hafiz, my lord. And they can memorize the entire Quran without, my lord, going through the book.
They can
They
recite.
can recite, my lord. And that is an specialized course is required, my lord, for that. And it needs a very hard work.
And in the normal madrasas,
my lord,
it's that our school
Yes, yes, yes.
education.
Yes,
There will
yes,
be other
yes.
subjects also.
it is a fusion of general education as well as theological is also
Here
there.
only theology.
Here only theological. my
So
lord.
this school can never be provincial.
No, my lord. No, my lord.
No. Now show me that
Yes.
this wakaf was made in your name,
No, no,
registered in your name. That is not there.
in the name of, my lord, what has happened, my lord?
Some other name it is there.
No, if we go by the land record, my lord, which is at page 31, my lord. Lord, what has happened? It is very difficult to. The original records are so. We have typed out the relevant part, my lord.
You were in a wakaf property.
Yes, my lord.
There was one Bolipara High School also there. Madrasa or high school?
No. Bolipara High School was initially not there, my lord. My lord, what has happened, my lord?
Give me the background.
Yes, the background is as such, my lord. Initially, this land, my lord, had been used for the purpose of establishment of Bolipar Nizamiya Alia Madrasa, my lord. This is a purely a theological institution. In the year 1960, my lord, in the year 1963, the upper section of the said Madrasa, my lord, which starts from class 7 onwards, my lord, had been taken over by the, my lord, government and has been termed as a senior Madrasa.
Where do I get that?
No, my lord, that record is
That is
not
not-
available.
So-
my lord,
Once that madrasa is taken over,
my lord.
it is taken over along with the land.
No, my lord, along with the land, there is no provision for taking over along with the land in the 1995 Act also, my lord. In 1995 Act, Section 10 says,
So it was already a provincialized madrasa.
my lord, our
And you were also running from that same very premises.
it is our land, my lord. It is our land.
You gave it to them.
No, my lord, it is our land. We have allowed them to run from our madrasa sympathetically, my lord. But
Now,
no.
who is the mutawali of your this?
Yes, the mutawali, my lord, we have mentioned in the record.
He is not here before this court.
No, mutawali is not there. The management
Because
committee is
it
before
will
my
be
lord.
under the. I'm just trying to understand.
My
the
lord,
thing.
my lord.
The wakaf property will be under the mutawali.
He is the manager, my lord. He is the manager who look after the property, my lord.
Is he is this madrasa being now represented by the manager?
No, my lord, the madrasa
Now
is
see, the wakaf property
My lord.
cannot be given to anyone.
No, my lord.
It cannot be given to
No.
anyone. It will be with the mutawali. only. Huh?
Mutawali is the only, my lord, manager.
Manager.
He is to take care, my lord.
He is to take care. If
My lord.
any income is derived,
My
he will use it as per the wish of the
Yes,
the wakaf donor.
donor, my lord. Yes.
Now, what is your role? You have got nothing. It's the mutawali who has to decide as to who will be there or who will not be there.
My lord,
Is the deed also made that this wakaf is made for this particular madrasa to be operated here? I don't find that.
I am very obliged to my lordship for raising this question, my lord, because the my lord, undisputedly Mutawali is the manager of the property. Now the management committee is the manager of the institution, my lord.
That's what I'm
The
saying.
institution
We are not concerned with the institution. We are concerned with the land.
No, because, my lord, the institution's property had been taken over, my lord, arbitrarily.
That is
That is
for
the
the
issue, my lord.
mutawali. That is for the mutawali to dispute. He can file appeal. He can do anything. You don't have a right over the property. You have a right to the institution,
That's the
which
issue,
is
my lord.
operated there.
The institution has now been, my lord, functionless. They have made it is a defunct, my lord. That
I
is
know
the
that.
issue, my
I
lord.
know that. Why the mutawali has not raised?
My lord, if some Mutawali is not coming, my lord, but his
Because
fault,
Mr. Mia,
my lord,
as far as my limited knowledge with
My-
regard
my
to
lord.
these wakaf properties goes,
my lord,
it is either the wakaf board and the
Muta-
infield, it is the mutawali.
my lord.
Anything happening there It is the mutawalli who will now raise a dispute saying that this has happened. He'll go to the Waqf board or to the forum which is prescribed and take up the issue.
Tribunal is also there, my lord.
He'll take up the issue there.
My lord.
I find no such things being taken up.
No, my lord, in our case.
Or
our
have you stated somewhere that the mutawalli had authorized you?
No, my lord, in that case, my lord, I have to take the instruction. My
Yes, Mr.
My lord.
Attorney.
Because this property,
You have gone by the normal flow of the
Yes.
things. That this is a provincialized school. It was a madrasa. You converted it into high school.
high school,
Now you got it attached to a certain other school.
base school.
So that thing goes. But this is not a school which is provincialized under 2011 or the 2017 Act. This is prior.
Prior to.
Therein this vesting of land was not there. And that was not one of the criterias also. That you must have this particular land or something. But you can always impute that through the secondary education regulations and all, you can always impute that. But here, how the land you can now take over?
Because subsequently this madrasa,
Because this, if the basics of the land is a waqf,
yes,
you cannot change the character of that waqf, or you can.
but regarding Waqf registration, that certificate they could not produce, my lord.
That is a different aspect. I'm not with Mr. Bhuyan. But if this is a waqf property,
Exactly, my lord.
whether his
Or
or
is the-
whether somebody,
Yes.
how can the government have a claim of that? How can the government now go without there being a procedure?
Yes.
How can the government go and sit on that?
That aspect, yes, my lord, we have to consider.
Mr.
reconsider.
Bhuyan,
My lord,
I think you will have to address this court on that.
some research is more required to.
Limited knowledge, what
My
I
lord,
have.
my lord. No, my lordship is very
Being-
clear
being-
and my lord,
this
it
is
is-
not theoretical. This
Fine.
was some practical knowledge I had seeing these properties
my lord.
in my younger days. On the prayer of the Learned Council for the parties, registered to discuss matter again on 30/4/2026. The Learned Council for the parties shall for 30/4/2026, on which date an endeavor would be made to dispose of the present.
My lord. May I pray for part third, my lord?
Yep.
Obliged.
I want this, if it comes back to me, first thing I want to clarify is who are you? How can you?
Locus, my lord. My lord. Obliged.
Anybody, you want to withdraw it?
Your Lordship,
Why?
this party instructed me to withdraw the same, Your Lordship.
Okay. Ms. G. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, on instruction submits that the petitioner desires not to press the petition any further. And accordingly, she prays that she be permitted to withdraw the present petition. Prayer is not objected to by Ms. M. Batsaji, additional. Accordingly, the petition stands dismissed or dismissed on withdrawal. I don't want to do it in your
Lordship.
convenience. That's- Yes,
Affidavit already filed, my lord.
yes, madam, what has happened? Have you sent the proposal? You're a provincialized school.
Provincial.
It will go to the director.
My lord,
Have you sent it to the director?
Yes, Lordship.
It's not there in your affidavit.
sent to the, my lord, Director of Education, BTC, my lord.
Then what happened? Why the matter is not sent to the director? Everything is clear. We can dispose it of directly.
Lordship,
Or you want me to keep it pending?
My lord.
Want to file a contempt?
Lordship, we've sent this.
Your
To
director
director-
BTC will release the pension.
Yes, Lordship.
Huh?
Yes.
Director BTC.
No, no.
Pension is the other subject matter. Pension is not entrusted to BTC.
You will
Lordship.
then send the paper. Will it go by its own? You will have to send.
Yes, Lordship.
Why have you not sent till now? 9/3. When will you send? Can you get that instruction?
Yes, Lordship.
Get that instruction, we'll take it up. Just call your director.
Lordship, some time may be given.
I'm
Lordship.
giving you time till 3 o'clock.
No, Lordship, 2 weeks time after vacation, we'll place
nothing,
the
man.
press
Just make
instruction,
a phone
Lordship.
call. Just make a phone call. Ask when he is sending this pension proposal to the director. I'll dispose of the matter. Finished.
2 weeks time, Lordship.
Not even a day. Today, 3 o'clock. Poor man is waiting. His pensions are all held up for such a long time. Now on 9/3, the director receives the records. You see the second last annexure of your affidavit. That is a letter to the director.
Yes, Lordship.
See the last paragraph.
Nine three 2026
Ah.
has been submitted.
This is on the strength of so and so. Son, submitted to you.
9 March, it has been submitted. So-
Submitted to the director. What did you do thereafter?
Lordship, 2 weeks time, Lordship.
Council for the petition, London Standing Council, Bodoland Territorial Council shall apprise this court on the next date of listing as to when a proposal, pension proposal of the petitioner would be forwarded to the Director of Pensions Assam for processing and authorization of your husband's authorization of the family pension involved to the petition.
But area salary also, my lord.
Family pension as well as she shall also apprise this court as to the period that would now be required for releasing to the petitioner the area salaries of her husband upon regularization of his period of suspension. Registry to list this matter again on 8/4/20.
Lordship, can it be after view vacation, Lordship?
8/4.
Obliged, Lordship.
And if you don't get it, madam, these small instructions, your director will come online.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes, where is the affidavit?
Lordship, my senior is in league, Lordship. Could
Let
not
him
send.
check. Where is the affidavit? Who is your senior?
SS Roy, Lordship.
Where is the affidavit? Why the affidavit has not been filed? Mr. SS Roy, Learned CGC submits that he be granted further 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time to file an affidavit in the matter on behalf of the respondents represented by him. Pray accepted, a registry to list this matter again. Again on 29/4/2026, full stop. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date.
Obliged.
What happened to the proceedings in the other courts? Calcutta, it is over.
It has been stayed till 28th of April.
Yes, what is your stand?
Well, today there is another case in court number 7, my lord. That, my lord, this interim order is continued, my lord, because we have been receiving one exception, my lord. Till 31st of this month, this fund is available, my lord, as per our instruction, my lord. So we are directed to file affidavit in this regard, my lord. And
on the prayer of Mr. S.K. Medi, counsel for the petition.
For one thing, same set of petitioners.
yes, my lord, yes.
It was against discontinuation of the scheme if they are employed. This petition was regarding their premature termination. That release minor they have already.
Lordship, the thing is that whether that order was correctly passed or incorrectly passed, that finding is required to be given by this.
You are working today?
Working today.
Then what is this has become infructuous?
Then may I pray one day time to I need to take tomorrow.
No, today, second half.
Lots.
You get me that order.
That order is kept, my lord, where they-
Give him a copy so that he can place that.
No.
Second half.
Lots. One contempt matter, my lord, appear item of 5, my lord. This SS contempt matter item of 5, my lord. Court asks, assessors asks, my lord, but I received instruction.
SSRA was to get instruction. I want that instruction.
Instruction I received, my lord.
What is it?
My lord, and we file an appeal before the division bench, my lord. Well, there is an observation. It was dismissed for delaying, my lord. And already there is already a speaking order was passed, my lord. So division bench says the observed that is already order is passed, so it is all complied. Like
Give me that order.
it is
Okay, we'll take it up in the second half. But
Yes.
when it's the second round.
second up.
Second round of calling.
23 my lord is infructuous, my lord. Yes, and there was no interim.
Mr. B. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner has already joined at his transferred place of posting, and accordingly, no live issue arises for consideration in the present petition, and prays that the petition be closed as having become infructuous. Pray accepted with stands dismissed as having become.
Relations.
Yes.
The response has been not filed.
Huh?
No response has been filed in this declaration.
Forget the response.
So, my lord,
Who argued?
the similar issue, my lord, is pending with the division bench, my lord. This has been issued, my lord.
The learned counsel for the petitioners. 22 to
24 to
no, 24 to
30.
34.
34.
It would be to me with full by yes, Mario para to me 25 from Mara. 24 to no, say other order to Lailona. Oh, no, take it. Mari, Baki guitar logo. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the issue arising in the present petition is presently pending consideration before the division bench of this court in the proceedings of writ appeal number 37 of 2026, and the same is directed to be listed on 34/2026. Also, the said issue is not disputed by the learned counsel for the response. Also, accordingly, Registry is directed to list this matter after disposal of writ appeal number 37 of 2026. The learned counsel for the parties are at liberty to make a mention of the matter upon disposal of the said writ appeal being WA number 37 of 2026. Because that very issue has been now culled out by the division bench. Let the division bench take a call because it will have some ramifications. Very good. 34 legal.
And on last occasion, your lordship was pleased to direct the respondent to place the vacancy position as mentioned in annexure.
Have you got any instruction, Ms. Bhattaji? Mr. Dhar? Okay.
No, please, your lordship.
Madam, I don't understand one thing.
Lordship.
You had approached this court earlier.
Earlier for subsidy, lordship. Out of 1,500 rupees, they deducted 800 rupees as caution money. They in earlier round of litigation, lordship, the prayer for subsidy and that was paid.
Both were entitled to claim remuneration as well as subsidy.
Subsidy, but this is regarding caution money of 800 rupees, which they deducted from our 1,500 rupees, lordship.
1,500 is the subsidy as well as the remuneration.
Caution money, the entire was, lordship.
What was the total amount paid to you? Total amount involved?
Earlier litigation was for 700 only, that is for subsidy, lordship. And this honorable court passed an order.
No, it's also remuneration. Oh, this is the amount that has been kept back
They were
after the successful completion of the work, 5 years or something?
Yes, they deducted 800 rupees initially from the
Caution money. Only 800 rupees per head.
per plant, lordship.
Per plant. Okay, how many plants are there?
Lordship, there are several plans. For that subsidy, lordship, they approached earlier and this honorable court passed an order and they received money. That means admitted fact that 1,500 was there, 700 paid, 800 not paid.
800 which was kept
by them,
withheld
lordship.
because of the work that you will do.
Caution money, that was.
Now they say in the affidavit that you have not given the reports.
Lordship, they have also made some scrutiny, lordship, page number 34 onwards.
No. They have made a categorical statement here.
Yes, lordship, I have seen that and I have replied also because they have admitted and there was a advised or direction, lordship, page number 37. In view of the above, there was a advice to release our caution money, lordship. 37, last para. It is admitted fact that we have done, lordship, because half portion they have paid. After
Any allegation with regard to the plans not being working or something, they have not brought.
Lordship, now it is 2011-12
Yes, who is appearing for the respondent?
We are just claiming our caution money, which was deducted.
Party and Village Industries Commission, who is appearing? Yes, why are you not releasing this one, yeah? No, this is, I think, Central.
Central.
Hadi, it is KBIC.
KBS. Yes, why are you not releasing?
They admitted that they have deducted. We are now overaged for any other work, lordship. We are just paying that 800 rupees, whatever was there from our money, lordship.
Mr. Borua, why? On some time.
I have filed a affidavit.
Affidavit is nothing. You say they don't do this. This works have been completed. Bring on record that the works have not been completed satisfactorily. It is kept back only to ensure that they visit twice a year.
Yes.
And then they keep the thing in functioning condition. Bring on record that all these plans are gone. Nothing is there. When the period was there, that they have done nothing. So because of their fault, these plans did not function. That we will dismiss. Otherwise, you will have to pay.
It is about 2011-12, Lordship.
Borua
Short
is,
date. Therefore,
is not in a mood to do.
that's correct. Where may I pay for short?
Bihu has slightly got to him. But we'll have it before Bihu.
Yes.
Like they have the money.
Yes,
let them-
today I will take instruction. I
On the
will.
prayer of Mr. C. Borua, heard Ms. S. Konongo, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. C. Borua, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondents number 3, 4, and 5. Mr. Borua submits that he will apprise this court as to whether the submits that he be granted time till 8/4/2026,
8/4 may not be, my lord.
7/4,
6/4.
6/4,
Yes.
2026. To enable him to receive instructions to apprise this court, for apprising this court as to whether it would be now permissible to release to the petitioners the amount involved.
All right, sir. Obliged.
Just get that. If there is nothing, why
Yes,
just
yes.
because of some technicality?
This actually, off record, this department is very troublesome department for me also. For,
Then we will-
for
then don't
small
worry.
things that asking from Bombay.
We will do.
Anyhow, I'll try.
will-
There is off record, my lord.
We'll do the
It
needful.
is also very meager, Lordship, but huge for them.
Big thing from sir. Tell them next date, come and release it. Otherwise, I'll impose interest from that day.
Deeply obliged.
Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, may I pray for a short accommodation, Lordship?
Why?
Can this matter be taken up day after tomorrow, Lordship?
Why?
I will receive the instruction by today, Lordship. That is my telephonic instruction. On Wednesday, Lordship, I'll get the instruction, Lordship.
Leave in custody.
Yes, Lordship. Why that non-liability certificate?
Just a two, I'll be out.
When? Tell me.
Monday?
Next week,
On the prayer of Mr. D. Upabindu, Learned Standing Council, Higher Education Department, registry to list this matter again on 6/4/2026 to enable Mr. Upamanyu complete his instructions. No further adjournment shall be granted.
Highly obliged, sir.
Everything should go at its pace. Let them take time. We are here, don't worry. Mr. Upamanyu, the more you run, the more the interest. Keep that in mind. This is a due,
Yes, Lordship.
retirement due.
No,
You're
I'll-
withholding it.
I'll get the.
I'm very liberal in this. I'm giving you time. But when I pass the final orders and I impose interest there, please don't make. Item? Okay, relax, Ms. Bond. You've just come in, you take your breath. You are here.
My lord, we have come across some recent development in this case, my lord.
What is that development?
Development is that, my lord, firstly, my lord, they were supposed to file affidavit, definitely,
forget
my
their
lord.
affidavit.
Yes. Secondly, my lord, they are initiating fresh set of promotion, my lord, which
Okay. Let us digest what we already have.
right, my lord.
Yes, when were you appointed?
My lord, in the year 1994, my lord.
Some date.
Date 7 February 1994, my lord. Thereafter, my service was confirmed on 1
You were appointed as LDA then?
Right, my lord.
Huh?
Right. Yes, my lord.
Confirmed in 2011.
2004, my lord.
4.
1/11/2004.
1/11.
1/11. Thereafter, my lord, in the year, my lord, 2016.
Now, in the cadre of LDA,
My lord.
have you made them private respondents? Yes.
Yes, my lord.
In
4 and
the
5.
cadre of LDA,
My lord.
are you senior to Bhaskar Jyoti Bora and Vipul Chandra Bora?
Yes, my lord.
How? What is the date of engagement of
My lord, it is in the record, my lord.
just show me that.
Just a minute.
Lordship, here one thing, our affidavit is ready, but it has not been filed, Lordship.
When
my
were
lord,
they
my lord,
promoted
page
as
number 18.
Huh?
Page number 18, my lord.
18?
18.
18.
18. Well, my serial number is 25, my lord.
Mallavika Bora. And where is the other two?
Other two is the, my lord,
Bhaskar Jyoti?
yes, Pastor Jyoti Bora and my lord.
Yes.
My lord will come to page number 22.
Why Bhaskar Jyoti is not here?
My lord, at that moment, it was me only, my lord, with the other people. Now, my lord, lordship will come to page number 22. In the page number 22, my lord will see that dates or date of appointments, my lord. Serial number 112 is me, my lord, and 115 is Bhaskar Jyoti Bora. Then 123 is, my lord, Bipul Chandra Bora.
Now, when was Bhaskar Jyoti and Vipul promoted?
In the year 2016, my lord. In the year 2016, 19/1/2017, my lord, actually.
19/1/2017.
They were promoted. And they were supposed
to promoted as senior assistant.
Yes, my lord. They were supposed to promote me as well, my lord. But
where is that order of promotion?
My lord. Just a minute, my lord. 19. My lord will come to page number 20.
20.
Oh, no.
No, this is
20,
the gradation.
21. My lord, date is mentioned in the gradation list itself, my lord, in the page number 24 onwards, my lord.
Okay, show me.
In the page number 24, my lord.
29/20/21.
Just a minute, my lord.
Mr. Counsel, they were promoted in 2017.
17, right.
And when were you promoted?
After 6 months, because my lord, I made complaint that I was also, my lord, supposed to.
When? Sometime in June, July.
Yes, my lord. Almost after 6 months, my lord.
2017. Now, in the gradation list of senior assistants, you are placed above them or below them?
I'm below, my lord, because yes.
So next promotional avenue is what?
As per their, my lord, actually.
It's supervising assistant, then head assistant.
Right.
Where you promoted as supervising assistant?
In the 17, my lord.
That is senior assistant.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, my immediate promotion is,
on the prayer of the
supervisor assistant, my lord.
Registered to list this matter after 4 weeks on a date to it.
Lordship.
Fingertips if you please.
No, my lord, I understand that. I understand, my lord. The thing is that, my lord, they are initiating fresh set of promotion, my lord, which will affect me, my lord.
You do whatever you want to do. You file application. That is a fresh cause of action. File application, file writ petition, whatever you want to do. If you had given me the particulars today, I would have ignored them. I would have done something because that gap is only 6 months and the promotion was given to you because you were dropped.
Yes.
We would have put you back there and then we would have asked them to do the.
Now, my lord, problem is that, my lord.
Next. You keep your fingertips, the facts come back to me.
At least, my lord, this advertisement, my lord, 26.
Why should I? It's not before me.
February.
Is it before me? Is it before me, Mr. Counsel? It's in your hand. It remain in your hand. Moment you transmit it in a proper manner to me.
Right.
We'll do the needful.
I will file, madam.
And madam, both of you file your affidavits.
Yes, it is ready, Lordship. We'll be filing.
Because this lady seems to have been deprived at some point of time. I would have done it today, but anyway.
This case, my lord, respondent number 6 filed affidavit opposition.
Which one?
My lord, item 41, my lord. My lord, some accommodation to filing.
Forget the affidavit. Forget the affidavit, Mr. Patgiri. Forget the affidavit. We are only concerned with the appellate order.
My lord.
Show me what is the error in the appellate order.
Lord, impugn order, my lord, page 132, my lord.
And the conclusions start from page 134, forget 134, come to 135.
135.
Now you have
My lord,
in your writ petition not disputed 135 marks and 136 marks.
my lord,
You have not disputed.
but my lord, first my lord is violate the my lord advertisement condition, my lord. Involvement of the political party, my lord.
That has been dealt with.
My lord,
That has been dealt with.
during pendency of the my lord appeal, my lord, the deputy commissioner.
No, that on the date when the advertisement was there, on the date when the advertisement was issued, he was no longer a member.
My lord, kindly see, my lord, kindly see, my lord.
2017, he, my lord, give a reading.
When is the advertisement?
Advertisement, my lord, 17. 19.
19. And the material here is that he is not a member of the political party from 2017.
My lord, kindly see, my lord.
Any other material?
Kindly see, my lord, page number 107.
107.
Is the inquiry report, my lord. Deputy Commissioner Malat and a report Malat on that inquiry report Malat stated that Malat the petitioner had left the party 3 years ago.
This is 3 years ago has been now clarified because
But
that
3
report
years-
was there. There is a letter at page 133. There is an evidence. Are you disputing this?
Malat, it is the Malat completely Malat private
You
document.
go before the civil court, get these things. We can't do it here, Mr.
But
Patri.
inquiry report Malat
Inquiry
already.
report, nothing. That he just says 3 years. From 3 years from when? What is the basis? Now the appellate authority had a document. In your appeal, you have not brought on record any contrary material.
But not about it is Malat when Malat 3 years ago Malat then Malat at the time of
On that. Yes, Ms. Sharma, you're still very big political worker. What do you say about this letter page, Kiman?
107.
107. Letter of the director of the deputy commissioner.
Lordship, they have
We
very,
are getting this deputy commissioner now to appear. Who is this deputy commissioner?
Malat, the deputy
Who is this
commissioner-
deputy commissioner?
Now district commissioner my lord Borpeta.
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 Borpeta. Who was this man? He conducted this election.
My lord.
And
That
he's
the-
writing this. He could not have. If this was this.
Subsequently, it was my lord.
We'll now
he may
include
not
him as
be
a party and get him. But he will not
member
give
of
you.
the selection committee, my lord.
Yes, madam. What do you say?
Lordship,
We don't want the affidavit. We only want the appellate order. Mr. Patgiri is to poke holes here if something is to be done.
Advertisement, my lord, kindly see, my lord.
Advertisement?
Advertisement, my lord, page 50, my lord. Is the second advertisement, my lord, and some
Dictation. Did I dictate on the last date something?
my lord.
Did I dictate an order here in this case? No. Okay.
Page 51, my lord. The advertisement, my lord, I applied, my lord, on my lord in person of the advertisement 16/7 to
Your basic case is that 2 points. One, political party and
another regarding,
relation.
my lord, mark allocation, my lord.
Mark allocation 2 marks was given, that was deducted.
And another,
Even
my lord,
after
the
that deduction,
out of 5, my lord, 6 marks allotted, my lord.
that you have not questioned.
I have
That is selection committee. Any malafide against the selection committee?
no, my lord.
Then. And this political thing, we are satisfied with what the The appellate
Inquiry.
authority has come. Anything more?
This my lord, I have filed affidavit in reply, my lord.
When?
My lord, after 2 weeks, my lord.
2 days. Thursday. Heard the parties at length. Heard the Learned Council for the parties at some length. Hearing remains inconclusive. Registry to list this matter again on Thursday.
Friday, my lord.
Friday is holiday.
Friday. Hidden.
Friday is a holiday. You won't do it Friday. Good Friday.
Monday, my lord.
No. 2-4. What is?
Oblige.
Only the inevitable has been
My lord.
deferred.
And this matter relates to provincialization of service of the petitioner. This is the third
Give me
ground.
1 point.
My lord, 1 point I have challenged the ground, my lord. Page 15,
5-0.
1-5. Ground number 3. The government pleader represented all the parties, my lord.
Oh, even the private respondent.
Yes, my lord. And the headmaster, the present headmaster issued a certificate in my favor. But he has submitted.
Pleadings complete. You are appearing for?
Second education department. Correspondence 1, 2, and 3, Lord.
You want to file an affidavit?
The petitioner is going attain the age of superannuation tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow?
Yes, my lord.
Have it.
Therefore, the matter was listed, my.
Can't help it. When was the order passed?
That order was passed on 26/9/2025.
Okay, you are before us, we'll see. Ms. Burwa, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department.
Private respondent has filed affidavit.
Huh?
Private respondent has filed affidavit.
What is the affidavit you want to file?
Their affidavit is not,
Lordship, like to bring us second in Lordship.
not necessary, my lord.
Affidavit filed by private respondent, Lordship. It says, some facts are disputed, Lordship. For disputed facts, Lordship, this is not the correct forum, Lordship.
No, this is against an order of the tribunal. Facts have already been looked into. So now we can look into. There is no problem. Want to seriously file an affidavit or submits that an affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by her would be brought on record on or before 7/4/2026. Registry to list this matter again on 23/4/2026. If you get the benefit, we will ask them to give it to you in lieu of that one. That's all. We'll ask him to go, you take the benefit.
Yes.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Audience is A. Fukan and Miss A. Sharma appear is present for their respective respondents.
Yeah.
Audience of Justice registry to list this matter after the ensuing Bihu vacation.
Deeply obliged.
Records. Come, okay, give it.
Lordship may fix it on any hearing day, Lordship.
Why?
Because I could not go through this, Lordship.
Miss M. Bachaji, Learned Counsel for the respondent submits that the records of the disciplinary proceedings instituted against the petitioner has been received. However, she prays that she be granted a week's time to peruse this thing.
Friday.
Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again on Bondo Bishatia. 23/4/2022.
Lordship.
You're not need not file affidavit now.
Lordship.
They have not furnished the inquiry report, my lord. Inquiry report they have not filed. My penalty is there, my lord.
Oh, let us see.
Co-accused is working, my lord. I'm been dismissed.
Co-accused given a lower penalty, parity,
Yes,
get
my lord.
that judgment of.
Sir, I have got, my lord. Okay.
May it please your Lordships.
We'll wait till 2 o'clock. That judgment is coming. The other one. Kalpana Bora. Will have a bearing. Music teacher, Noor Islam.
No Islam.
This will have a bearing on this also. That judgment will have a bearing on this also.
But this is, that was.
Oh, that, if I go against you, I'll have to go against you on this also. If I go in your favor, recall the order, then I will have to consider this matter in the light of Noor Islam and others.
So, Lordship, if I remember correctly, that case we had sought for review saying that we should have been considered under 2011 Act.
That is it. Here also same thing.
Yeah, but here the issue is the 10-4 compliance is done. 10-4 compliance is done. That is what Lordship had last time indicated. So all remained was that notification.
Notification is in meeting.
So we had demonstrated on last occasion.
You are here today.
Yes, I'll wait till 2 o'clock. No problem. I am also.
We'll take it up after that. First item after the delivery of the judge.
Because I believe they have still not done anything, and I believe if the officer is here, I don't.
No, Lordship, what happened, Lordship? In this case, I have sent it up for vetting the affidavit. But in the meantime, one review has been filed before this court in Meher Ali Sheikh Lordship case.
Mohar Ali Sheikh, how do you file a review after the matter has been taken up to the Supreme Court? In Noor Islam. This will be by Noor Islam. Supreme Court in Noor Islam had laid down a certain procedure. Okay, I'll not disclose now. Let us.
We'll wait.
We'll wait.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for time.
Lordship, hearing this matter, Lordship, the proposal has been, that file has been endorsed to the ARTPG department for regular pension, that some approval.
On the prayer of the Learned Council for the parties, register to list this matter again on
After Bihu vacation and
8/4/2020.
Lordship, obliged.
8/4.
Obliged. So this is an eviction matter, Lordship. On the last occasion, respondent number 2 was directed to take instruction, Lordship.
Affidavit is filed, Lordship.
Mr. M. Bhuya, PWD.
Meeting instructions, we communicate.
On the prayer of Miss A. Gauhati, Learned Council, or Learned Council appearing for the PWD authorities, summons that she be granted further 2 weeks' time to complete her instructions in the matter. So, prayer accepted, registry to list this matter before the appropriate bench after 2 weeks. Matter be not treated as parted and or tied up matter with this court any further. I'm not taking up that.
Lordship, interim order may be.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of.
Highly obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Yes.
My lord, these are that series, my lord, forest matters, my lord.
No appeal.
My lord, under preparation, my lord.
Take adjournment.
My lord.
And I don't know why it has been tied up with me. I'm not kept it.
No,
Only that hearing inclusive, maybe I made. That is why it is.
Maybe, my lord. So observe, my lord, that the
69, 70, 71.
Fine.
The Learned Council for the petitioner submits that he be granted time. Praise for an adjournment.
my lord, they are required to file an
They'll
affidavit.
not, if they want, they'll file. What is good? You get up with your appeal now. Time is running out.
My lord.
Praise for an adjournment in the matter. And for a week, prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again after a week on a date 2 weeks by. Matter be not treated as parted and or tied up matter with this court any further. 68, 69, 70, 71.
71 to assume. Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, we have sent the affidavit for vetting, Lordship. Lordship, maybe please to fix this matter after a week, Lordship. In the meantime, the affidavit shall be filed, Lordship.
We had given you time till 23.
Lordship, Lordship, we have already sent the affidavit, Lordship, for vetting, Lordship. Lordship, or is Lordship within 2 days, Lordship? It should be there.
Ms. Burwa, Learned. Standing Council, Secondary.
Lordship.
Secondary Education submits that the affidavit has been prepared and would be filed on today is 30 on 2/4/2026. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 24/4/2026. Petitioner is at liberty to file his rejoinder in the mean after filing of the affidavit by the respondent.
Hearing your lordship, I have received the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2. Your lordship, regarding regarding my arrears salary of 3 months, they have there is no averment. And regarding
Do you want to file a
file and counter, your lordship.
no, you want to file an affidavit here?
Yes.
Reply. Mr. This is item number
73.
Counsel for the petitioner submits that an affidavit has been filed by the respondent number 2 in the matter on 26/3/2026. And he prays that he be granted 2 weeks' time to bring on record a rejoinder thereto on behalf of the petitioner. Prayer accepted.
After you, your lordship.
2 weeks. 2 weeks it will go after me. Petition, learned Ms. R. Bora and Mr. R. Boro. Learned counsels are present for their respective respondents. So, be ready to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date 2 weeks. In the meantime, the petitioner shall bring on record his rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the owner number. Anna. Yes, what is your instruction?
Instruction, they 19 August 2024, they're speaking on
Where is that appeal law?
and my lord, there is an order on the in IA, my lord. There is observation is there, my lord. Page 2, my lord. It appears for the pursuant of direction given by learned single judge, the applicant has have considered the case of the petitioner on a rejected the claim so and so. We are of the view that when the direction given by the learned single judge had already been acted upon, the applicant on remand has again considered the case.
Yes, Mr. Counsel. That order that was passed has been complied with.
Lordship, the speaking order.
Okay, let us contempt it, yes.
That's in contempt, my lord, service is not complete, my lord. And so far, respondent 1, my lord, notice was not issued, my lord. There's 2 respondents, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Counsel, where is the order?
Lordship. Lordship, order page number 8, page number 8 to 14.
Now that in terms of this, they have considered your case and then why the speaking order dated 19/8/24.
Yes, Lordship.
They have rejected your case. What is this contempt again?
Lordship, in this speaking order, they have specifically mentioned at para 7, page number 2, that he was promoted to the rank of head constable, general duty on 25/1/2006 in normal course, Lordship. Last line.
Okay, if that is an error, they have complied with. They made an error. It may not be satisfactory. Where is the contempt? Contempt is willful and deliberate violation.
Yes, Lordship. The contempt is that.
Are you the leading counsel in this case?
No, Lordship.
Who is the leading counsel?
D. Deca.
Get him.
Lordship, he's not here today. He's not here today. He's
okay. On the prayer of the
medically
learned counsel for the petitioner, registered to list this matter again. I took my again on
short date.
Wednesday.
Wednesday কি হবে
বুধবার বুধবার বা বৃহস্পতিবার বৃহস্পতিবার
Wednesday কি বার date my lord
2/4. Only thing, Mr. Counsel, you got to tell me that this order having been passed,
yes,
substantially complied with. If there is anything, you come back. The writ proceeding, we'll see.
My lord 1/4, my lord. Instead of 2/4, 1/4.
2/4.
Definite, please, your lordship. Lordship, we have received the instructions here, lordship. On behalf of the contention here is, lordship, unauthorized absence, and while
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
Yes, Lordship. The Assam Administrative Tribunal's order is under challenge before your Lordship. The petitioner was,
Assam Administrative Tribunal,
yes, Lordship,
in the last concluding paragraph, I think, misdirected itself.
yes.
There is no question of 311 to be being applied here. It's a case wherein, admittedly, you had left the training. You did not complete the training. One. Now, why did you leave it? Because you got yourself embroiled in a criminal case. You gave an undertaking that I am returning the money. In these circumstances, Ms. Chaudhary, without completing the training, are you entitled to a job? You are not entitled to a job. Plus, criminal case we ignore, we'll say that is ignored, but your absence is enough to terminate your services. What more is required? And see, this was a thing given to you after orders of this court. You were all that tea garden security people.
Yes, Lord.
Then this court proceedings were there, my Lord Justice Gogoi, thereafter again one, wherein this court directed them to make a permanency, give you a permanency. Accordingly, 2 forces, battalions of that security force was created. The requirement was that you will be screened, you cleared that. Then the requirement is that you will have to complete this 6 months training. You did not complete. Now what do you have to say? This is my view. What do you have to say?
Lordship, even though he was under the, he had not completed his basic training. That's a admitted position. But Lordship, at least he had his natural justice right, which was.
No, simple. You don't, without permission, you remain away from your training. What natural justice is? Because they gave you a notice at least. And they found it, they heard you enough. You could give any chosen material justifying your absence. Like that you were met with an accident. Say, you came out of the training one day, you met with an accident. You had to be hospitalized. You were not in a position, right? You went home, say there was some emergency, you went home, therein you felt so sick that you had to be hospitalized. These are circumstances which justify that you were not absent because of some willful thing. You were forced by circumstances. Nothing is here. This is just to save your skin from that people there. What do you call that? Mob bashing. You just think of the Assamese, that will be more suitable. Then dismiss it. Only on that point. We'll take care of that observation of the tribunal about your misconduct. We'll say this is in terms of the service condition. He did not complete accordingly. Enough. Anything more, you tell me.
Lordship, can I come back on Wednesday?
Thursday. Thursday, what are you saying? Budvar? 7. Heard Ms. B. Chaudhary, learned legal aid counsel at some level. Also heard Mr. C.K. Bhojia, learned dominant. Hearing remains inconclusive. Phase 3 to list the start again on 7/2/2026.
Much obliged.
Yes,
Lordship.
Mr. Tavildar.
Yes, Lordship.
What, you have completed your investigation?
Yes, Lordship.
What is the report?
He has admitted also, Lordship, that the petitioner has admitted that he was not working regularly in the complex. Yes. He has admitted.
Mr.
At Lordship, next page, his admission is there are 3.8.
Tavildar, learned counsel for the learned standing counsel, senior standing
Higher
counsel,
education.
education department.
Lordship.
Has placed on record a copy of the inquiry report submitted in the matter by Dr. Sri Prasanna Bora, AES, Joint Director in the establishment of the Director of Higher Education Assam. Also, Now, this has come, you got to take a call on this. Who will take a call?
Lordship.
Who will take a call on this? Or
Report.
we'll have to take?
They are saying that they are claiming that they can. We have already dismissed. We have not provincialized this service because
Okay.
he was
A
serving.
copy of the said inquiry report be furnished to the learned counsel for the petitioner
Lordship.
to enable him to make his submissions after perusing this thing. To the petitioner and Mr. H.K. Sharma also.
Lordship.
To the learned counsel for the petitioner and also to the learned counsel appearing for the respond number 4. Also, registry to list this matter again after the ensuing vacations. Also, the inquiry report furnished by Mr. A.R. Tabildar is kept on record and marked as X for the purpose of identification. You are in trouble. Try to wriggle out.
He tried to mislead also, Lordship.
Huh?
Mislead and manipulated also. The registrar also.
Oh, he is already in trouble. Don't bring him.
No, Lordship.
Yes.
But
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary. What has happened? If you are continuing them till 31, thereafter.
His prayer is till 31.
Right. Is that so?
Yes, Lordship. So
Finished.
that's all.
Registry to list this matter again on 1/4/2026. 1/4 o'clock. Well, dismiss it on that. I missed out on that. That matter, the BK Das's matter.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
That decision troubling me that day, whether that can be an absolute proposition of law or not. I found one, Chennai Metropolitan Development Corporation, subsequent judgment, wherein this has been considered and had said that that judgment was only limited to the facts of that case.
Similar matters argued by my learned friend is the same judgment that he is relying upon.
No, but that was troubling me that day.
No,
by this without any justification, anything we'll have to hold that, then it will be a very difficult on the part of the employer concerned. But then I got a judgment, Chennai Metropolitan, wherein this judgment was considered and it was said no. You will have to justify as to why that period of unauthorized absence, if considered as a misconduct by the employer, you will have to show that it was not willful and violent. It's not for the employer to come to a conclusion that it is willful. So that is now crystallized. Yes, that 35, we have not got your instructions.
This, the post of Chokidar, her name has been, that means proposal was sent by the executive engineer PWD, Lordship. But thereafter, what happened, Lordship? This is not in our, here it is, nothing is there.
On the prayer of Ms. M. Bachaji, registry to list this matter again on. I will not dismiss it before the vacations, after the vacation.
Lordship.
On 24/4/2026 for further hearing. We'll dismiss it, but after the vacation.
Lordship.
Just
Yeah.
tell Mr. Paul.
Lordship,
Hey, Paul.
I shall, Lordship.
Yes. Yes, madam. What is the development?
As per direction of this honorable court, Lordship, earlier one inquiry committee was constituted, thereafter one officer was transferred. Again, one inquiry committee constituted and CID case was registered regarding.
You bring it on record.
No,
by way of
we have filed our affidavit.
affidavit. When?
Yes, Lordship. On 16/2/26.
Yes, what do you have to say, Mr. Sharma?
Lordship, may kindly see the last order, Lord.
Huh?
Lordship may kindly shift the last order. Report of the inquiry committee, Lordship. They have to produce.
These are all old information. What has happened after that? After the last date of listing, what is the development?
We have filed on 16/2/26.
I have taken up the matter then on 25/2. I've recorded all this. Then what happened?
Thereafter, Lordship, the BTC authority has filed one police case and
That is
CID has
also-
registered the documents has been seized by the CID officers.
What happened to your inquiry committee?
Inquiry
Report.
committee on 9/2 it was constituted, Lordship.
What happened thereafter?
Hereafter, police, on 11/2, after inquiry
Miss-
committee suggestion, Lordship, annexure.
Chaudhary,
Yes, Lordship.
Standing Council, BTC shall apprise this court on the next date of listing about the steps taken by the inquiry committee constituted wide notification dated 9/2/2026. Registry to list this matter again immediately after the ensuing Bihu vacations.
Pledge.
Deeply okay.
Please. May
Yes.
please your lordship kind peruse the last order of dated 3/2026.
You have been not given a posting till now.
Yet not, sir.
No posting till now. Yes. Who is appearing for the respondents? R.R. Gogoi.
Yes, Lord, Your Honor.
Mata hai? Get hold of some standing counsel for his department. We'll pause the order.
In this matter, Lordship, we have what documents?
Yes, where is the speaking order?
Lordship. Where to do?
When did you pass it?
10th April 2025, we have
Oh, it is
forwarded
already
the
on record.
pensionary. We have forwarded it to the PNRD Department, Assam, for consideration.
And what did the PNR? Yes, what have you done?
My lord,
For 1 year it is pending with you.
my lord, initially, my lord, service book was not with them, my lord. That is why we could not process.
Oh, now, this is the second contempt petition, Mr. Hawk. The second contempt petition.
No, my lord,
Oh, no, okay.
no, my lord, it is. Third concept.
Okay, where is the order?
My lord, operative portion is page 20, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Doctor, what happened?
My lord, I have received one instruction from Secretary Gosaigaon Mahakuma Parishad, my lord, which is under BTC, my lord. It's for you, my lord.
Date to demand, date to अपनी document. Review আছে।
Yes. How did you get the part service book with you? How did it come with you, part service book? Where is the other part?
My lord, that part we have known, my lord.
Considering the submissions made by the parties to the proceeding, this of the considered view that the present contempt petition would require a detailed hearing. So accordingly, registry to list this matter again immediately after the ensuing vacations will see.
My lord, can I get the relevant?
You can produce it back on the next day.
Lordship, as per court's direction, we have complied with. We have considered their representation. Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged. Oh, your lordship, the district commissioner Hemaji is supposed to file affidavit, lordship.
Also, my friend, Mr. Amitabh Chakraborty informed me over this thing that affidavit has come to the lordship. The signed affidavit has come reached to the lordship, so it will take 3 or 4 days to file lordship.
Mr. PKS Borua, Learned Government Advocate, submits that the affidavit in the matter would be filed.
Yes, yeah, he
Huh?
filed
on, has been received and would be filed on
3 or 4 days time, lordship.
2/4/2026. A registry to list this matter again on Undina Pari. Pishot. 22/4/2026. The petitioner is at liberty to bring on record his rejoinder in the meanwhile upon filing of the affidavit by the.
Obliged.
Most of us.
None appears for the petition on court. For the ends of justice, registry to list this matter after the ensuing vacation. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship will appreciate that, my lord, because of the order which is under review, my lord. The petitioners are in a, my lord, very precarious condition. In the sense that, my lord, in the event that order remains, we have to wait till the, my lord, Om Prakash Shah case is decided in the appeal. And we, even assuming, my lord, your lordship dismisses the writ petition, even assuming that, my lord, then also we get the chance of, my lord, arguing the matter before the division bench in an appeal. So if this order remains, my lord, that opportunity also will not get.
So I asked you to, if you can explore that possibility, submitting an application to get this matter connected with
Yes,
that.
my lord, that, my lord, we thought of that, my lord. But there is also likelihood that the honorable, my lord, they say that you file a review. In that event, my lord,
We'll consider it.
Therefore, my prayer would be, my lord, your lordship.
We'll recall that order.
Recall the order and thereafter, my lord.
We'll consider it on merit.
If your lordship, my lord, holds that it is covered by that decision.
Finished.
Then also, my lord, our my lord, route is open.
Before today. Who is appearing for the Education Higher Department?
Either as does appear sometimes and sometimes Mr. K. Gogoi appear.
I is talking about.
I is for condonation of delay. In fact, my lord, my submission.
There is no condonation.
There is no, not
We are not even going into that.
There are, my lord, contrary to the decisions, my lord, very clear. And my lord, subsequent decisions which have said that, my lord, the delay is, my lord, condonation is required. There is delay, my lord, that Honorable Jain Sharma's judgment has not been considered in any case, and that was a very.
We will not even go into that. We will only consider your the review petition directly. So a review petition to 54. Page 20.
Please. The order is at my lord, page 20, the relevant portion, my lord. At page 31.
Yes, you are appearing for?
UGC, but I'm not in a Marty in the review.
Can you get somebody from the education department? Heard Mr. N.K. Chaudhary. We'll pass the order. Mister. We are recalling this order. Only let somebody come, we'll record the name, you need not be here.
I'm grateful, my lord.
And
Then
we are not
whatever-
touching, we'll only close the eye. We are not going into that. Yes, Ms. Borua, where is the higher education, somebody? Time being, okay. Mr. Chaudhary, Mr. Sharma would be here.
I believe.
John Cody. 53 as John Cody.
Please, Lordship, we have filed this IA for correction of address of respondent number 2 and 6, Lordship.
Any objection?
No objection, Lordship.
Did I hear this matter at any point of time?
Before.
Why this order here?
On the last occasion, Lordship, your Lordship has asked whether any case is pending before the tribunal, Lordship. So on that, I have submitted that against the petitioner, no case is pending. But she filed one IA for impleadment in that case, but that was rejected, Lordship.
Heard Ms. U. Nanda, Learning Council for the application. So heard Ms. Borua, Standing Council, Secondary Education Department, hearing for the state respondents. The present interlocutory application has been instituted, praying for correction of the address of the respondent number 2 and 6 in the cause title of the connected writ petition being WPC number 2657/2024. So, the petitioner in the present interlocutory application has prayed for correction of the address of the respondent number 2. What is the error in 2, in the address of 2?
It should be chairman come director, Lordship. State level scrutiny committee, Assam represented by its chairman come director of secondary education. In page number 6, Lordship, we have.
Okay. As follows, huh? Page A to A. But in a similar manner, the address of the respondent number 6 is being sought to be corrected as follows. This court has perused the contentions raised in the interlocutory application and finds that the addresses of the respondent number 2, that the respondent number 2 and 6 in the connected writ petition were not properly addressed, and accordingly, the So were not properly addressed, which is contended to be on account of an inadvertent error. Prayer accepted. So the prayer is not objected to by, the prayer made by the applicant is not objected to by the learned counsel. Accordingly, the petitioner is permitted to correct the address of the respondent, the address of the respondent number 2 and 6 as follows. 2, LK Ako A to A MIDB, 6 to B to B MIDB. With the above, with the above observations and directions, the present interlocutory application stands disposed of. WPC 2657. In view of the order passed today in IAC 524/2026, permitting the petitioner to correct the name and address of the respondent number 2 and 3. 2 and 6 as follows. 2, apostrophe beta DV, 6 apostrophe beta DV. Petitioner to file an amended cost title, semicolon. Petitioner to file an amended cost title within 2 working days from today. Registry to list this matter again after 6 on a date to be fixed. Done.
Deeply obliged.
They file a affidavit bringing on records one DPC held on 60/25. But only it is not a record. I have one copy.
Yes, madam.
Yes, we filed it, Lordship, and as per our additional affidavit, Lordship, the petitioner alleges that the last DPC meeting was held on 23rd March 2025. However, Lordship, as per our department's instruction, it was actually held on 6/3/2025. And Lordship, there we could not consider the case of the petitioner because the performance appraisal report could not be submitted by him, Lordship.
Now, has it come on record even today?
No, Lordship.
Why? That record has to come from you. Performance appraisal is yours.
Yes.
Lordship, we've actually ended the.
No, the performance appraisal is not, you have initiated the performance appraisal.
No, they have to initiate.
You have to give a first note, then after.
They have said that during the suspension period, the SCI is not available with him. 168, kindly see it. But they have said. Page 168.
Okay.
It is not my control.
Of the. So, an additional affidavit has been filed by the respondent, PWD, in terms of the undertaking made before this court on the last date of listing, that is on 13/3/2026. Also, accordingly, a registry to list this matter again after the ensuing vacations for hearing.
Can I pay for a date, ma'am? After 20 minutes.
28/4/2026.
Highly obliged.
Your proceedings are over.
No.
Proceedings are not over.
Not over.
Then how will you be promoted now?
As per Samanlal, ma'am. It has to be completed 1 year. Last 2017.
What is the nature of the proceedings? Samanlal is to.
Falsification of
We
fields.
can only tell them at best is to update your ACRs, consider your case, keep it in seal cover. That
They're not even kept under seal cover.
because they did not have it. Now we'll only have to direct them to get your thing, this thing. Madam,
it is not.
Ask your department. This ACR thing is yours.
Yes, obviously.
I can understand the APR. That means the annual property returns that he has to give. But if it is the confidential reports, that is yours.
Yes, but the API I have submitted, madam. Now they have come with a new circumstance because the ACR is not available with it.
ACR cannot be. You cannot.
Obviously.
Cannot.
Lodge.
Okay.
Obliged.
Rosen.
50 perhaps might have contempt, but we don't have a copy in that branch, but that other person is retired. Rajpal Singh.
You forget retirement. Tell me what about the compliance?
Lordship has to fix this matter tomorrow. I can bring something, madam. Because I tried to trace out something, but this person is very Diponi Datta. He has been transferred.
We are on lease border. We won the order complaint. Because orders was not issued to deputy.
May I have a look at the order, madam?
Madam, give him a
Petition-
copy
petition-
of the order.
Petition. Petition.
Or
On the prayer of Mr. D. Gogoi, learned counsel for the, Mr. Gogoi, you have any instruction?
No. Instruction is this, after this order, madam, this person has been transferred to 3 different divisions.
Who?
This petitioner. This petitioner, my lords, Deeponi Datta.
You allowed him to join?
Yes.
Then what is there left?
He's seeking area salary.
salary
Issue is this, my lord, this person is, I shouldn't comment on him, my lord, personally, but my lord, he is found to be a very deviant kind of person. Every division is.
Are you powerless? You issue institute proceedings.
Yeah, that
How can you,
is contemplated, my lord.
On
But
that count, violate.
he was transferred to West Division, another division. Now he has been again brought to Gauhati again, my lords.
Mr. Gogoi, D. Gogoi, learned counsel representing the respondent submits that he would apprise this court as to why the area salaries of the petitioner, only the area salaries.
Area salary.
Repatriation to where? Oh, he has been repatriated from the commission.
Yes.
He's
That
in his gone.
He's
Leave
working in
area
the forest
salaries there.
department.
Your lordship, but in this matter, in WPC, there is a direction to the authorities for the for his repatriation to his parent division, as well as release of current as well as area salary. And after transfer the
Commission negotiable.
he paragraph number 8, that in the meantime, the earlier PCCF retired on 29/2/2024. On his retirement, the present respondent was appointment as the new PCCF and HOFF, and accordingly, the matter of the petitioner was immediately brought to his notice for the necessary action on his part. But the
You are working today? Are you working today? Are you working?
And he's working in Social Forestry Division of Kamrup Metro.
You're not working.
Gauhati Division.
petitioner is already retired on
Petitioner could retire.
মানে
Respondent retired. Petitioner retired.
Respondent,
Yeah,
let him
respondent
retire.
retired,
Let him
respondent.
retire. Are you working, madam, today? No. Yes.
He's working.
Mr. D. Gugoi, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent shall, on the next date of listing, apprise as to whether the petitioner has been repatriated, has been brought back to the forest department and been posted against a post figuring in the said department. Mr. Gugoi shall also apprise this court as to how the claim of as to how the direction for releasing to the petitioner his area salaries as was processed by the department by the department after passing of the order dated 21/7/2023. Registry to list this matter again on 7/2/2026.
7/4. Transport digital.
Yes, how was the shortlisting done?
Lordship, that instruction has to come from the industries department. I represent the AIDC department. Lordship, and
Mr. Goswami was there for the
No, Mr. Goswami. Mr. Goswami is busy with the elections.
I think so. I haven't seen him.
Very busy.
Apni-
Yes, Mr. Urva. This is the time when you should assist Mr. Goswami. He is busy.
Yes, sir. The affidavit we have filed here, Lordship.
Forget the affidavit. I don't want the affidavit. You don't know. Where is Mr. Goswami?
He is at his own place, Lordship.
Oh, somebody said that he is coming. On his way.
Adjournment, as in.
Oh, you-
No, he's,
I
I
was
think,
in
junior
information.
mention.
Or else Lordship may kindly fix the matter to let me go through it. I will.
You won't be able. There is no point in keeping Mr. Mannan waiting on such a beautiful weather day.
I'm thankful that Lordship is thinking at least about the weather today.
Point.
This particular order,
Because,
I think.
Mr. You will have to get me an instruction.
Yes,
How
yes,
the
that would
shortlisting
be with.
Shortlisting was done, then how did you post this paper?
Yes, yes,
Because the
yes.
crux of the matter is there. We get that, then we can adjudicate or consider, appreciate what Mr. Mannan is saying.
Thursday fees going.
No, there
I
is
just-
the order of the government. Who has,
You know that?
yes.
Hence, how was that you were selected and you were posted for this post?
The-
There has to be something.
There is a difference, Your Lordship. Normally what happens, there's an advertisement, people apply for a particular post. Here, nobody is
there's
applying
nothing.
for a post.
That is the
That is the
problem.
reason they have to give. How
Give
they.
how? That Mr. Mannan is not good looking, so you go here. Mr. Borua is good looking, so you come here. If that is the thing, tell us. We just want to know. You have given them a benefit. And you said that we will screen them. And then we will post them. They say we have disqualification. So how was that screening made? Maybe there were people more qualified or senior than them.
Parameters.
For which, what are the parameters? Yardsticks, that's all. And we have been waiting from 19-2 or 17-2 for this. Last chance. A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. J.K. Goswami, Current Counsel for the Additional Senior Government Advocate for an adjournment on account of personal inconvenience. Person inconvenience. Also, Mr. C.K.S. Borua submits that without fail, on the next date of listing, the instructions to answer the query raised by this court by the order dated 27/2/2026 shall be completed and placed before this court. Also, it is provided that no further adjournment shall be granted in the matter. Also, registry to list this matter again on Bondha episode 28/4/2026. Not followed Divan, no further adjournment. A copy এটা দি দিব পাৰিব নে?
No, no, I will download it. Lordship. Download it from them.
You download or not, I will not know.
One more thing, Your Lordship, with regard to the weather part, I'm clarifying one thing. What happens if it rains? I
You
could
have
not
prob-
even go home.
That's
I
why I
have a
said,
lot of difficulty these days.
Mr. You have taken it as a youngster. You here, I was told that you are in your native place.
Lordship, I am there, Lordship. Today only I
We have accommodated you.
No, but this is the case. This is the case. That is also related with my place, Lords. And it's a political one.
Which one?
This one, the delivery of order, Lords.
Oh, we'll pass the orders up. We are having some judgments to deliver.
Lordship.
David.
I'm joining Lordship from my so-called native place.
No, Mr. Goswami is connected, is busy with the elections. That's why. Impugned judgment set aside, appellant acquitted of the offence. We have upheld your conviction. But with regard to 477A, we have converted it into fine because it's permissible. And considering the advanced age of the petitioner, of the appellant, with regard to 13(1)C and 13(1)D, we have said that it will be limited to a fine now.
All right.
The sentencing we have.
All right.
But your case is a watertight. If we had heard it, say 5-6 years ago, maybe we would have sent you to jail. We have disposed of the writ petition. We have passed some directions. You will now act in terms of your first assessment, but give him the seasonal, non-seasonal benefit in terms of the appellate order. You cannot do it for 938 units. You will do it for 638 units. Okay. Just apply, but it will take, there is a lot of mistakes. It will take you. Obliged. 64 to it was into. Oh, sorry. 64 is what, Mr. 63. 64 is yours. That is one. 63, we have interfered with the order of the learned appellate court. Order of the learned appellate court has been interfered with. The order of the trial court has been reimposed. We have given you 60 days time to deposit the amount, consolidate compensation, no imprisonment. That imprisonment we have done it with. But if you don't deposit within 60 days, the matter will be dealt with by the trial court in terms of its own order. For 60 days, we are keeping that imprisonment thing in abeyance. If you deposit the 6 lakhs, nothing, no further. But if you don't, then 6 lakhs plus 10,000. We have disposed of your writ petition in your favor. We have interfered with the award.
I'm grateful.
Mr. Kohli, there is a lot of quoting and all those things. It will take me at least a week's time to give you this copy.
I'm grateful to Lord.
I am grateful that I could go into a subject where I was not very familiar.
The Lordship, I think you gave us the indulgence to take our time also.
No, Mr. Kohli.
So
Yes.
grateful. Deeply obliged.
We have interfered with the promotion, but we have provided for no loss to him. His seniority will be counted from the date he would have otherwise been eligible for promotion. Right? They have not been promoted to the next higher cadres. If they are promoted, it will be seniority of the petitioner will be. We have accepted the delay. That's why we have not given the petitioner any retrospective effect. That we have accepted, but an illegality having come to our notice, we cannot ignore it. And the rest is you.
But subsequently, he was given promoted.
From that day, his promotion, this period, don't recover anything from it. That much we have provided. Assessment orders interfered with. Assessment order and the consequential notice both interfered with. It took a lot of churning.
Last order, Lordship may see.
Where is your that final consideration? This is
Lordship,
also
these are across. This is P7.
Huh?
P6 is the minutes, and the final P7 is the list of eligible candidates, which was forwarded.
Wait. Page 36.
P6 starts at page 172. This is the minutes. And the list of eligible candidates is, Your Lordship will find it P7, page 1.
What is the date of this?
This is dated, Lordships, 1/11/2014. That date, Lordship will find in the untyped copy, which is at page 174.
1/11/2014.
Which is at page 174. And from 175 starts the final list of 339 teachers, which includes our name.
Your name is that page?
Lordship, we have
Page 239.
page 2. There are 16 petitioners, so they are in different pages. Petitioner number 1 is at page 239. Petitioner number 2 is also at page 239. Hanjit Talukdar.
Ranjit Talukdar,
Then Pinkumani Ray Chaudhary.
Ray Chaudhary.
Then Lordship will come to page 236, Burhan Ali.
Okay, fine. We can take that.
Yes. Then petition number 4 is at page 231.
Now, any material to show that your name was thereafter forwarded to the government?
This is the forwarded. This is the forwarded. If
No, this
Lordship
is the
is saying-
minutes.
The minutes, and then the next letter,
There is a letter here?
Yes.
Oh, where?
246.
46.
Yes. This is a request for creating the post in terms of those minutes.
And the posts were created.
Posts, by the time the post could be created, now they say the act got struck down.
Now, was a list after this published?
Published?
10-4 publication?
I do not think so.
Because see, 10-4 again requires that once the government concurs, then a list will be published. So then only 10-4, that whole exercise would come to an end.
No, that has come to an end. That would be evident from the impugn order itself. If you see the impugn order, there is no problem with that. Kindly have the order that we've impugned here. That is after the Supreme Court gave us the liberty to come back to this High Court. Please come to page P14.
P14?
Sorry, page 273, P14. Annexure 14.
That is the order.
This is the speaking order, which is now before challenge.
Now, where is that conclusion
Yes,
here?
from findings, if I may just read slowly the whole finding process. The schools of the petitioners have been provincialized under the Assam Venture Education Provincialization of Service Act in Act 2011, but the services of the petitioners were not provincialized under Section 4, read with Section 3 of the Act 2011. They are deemed to be provincialized at the time of provincialization. Being aggrieved, the petitioners approached the Honorable High Court by filing writ petition so-and-so, and the court directed that to examine the claim of the petitioners in light of the decision rendered in the aforesaid writ petition so-and-so, and if it is found that the petitioners are similarly situated, similar relief of provincialization will be granted to the petitioners with effect from 2013, when the school was provincialized, which exercise shall be undertaken within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this order. Petitioner shall be intimated the result of such consideration by issuing a speaking order in this regard. In compliance of the Honorable High Court, Director Secondary Education was requested to furnish its report. Director Secondary Education, via letter number so-and-so dated 26 July 2022, has stated the particulars of the writ petitioners who had been left out from provincialization of the services in 2013 were collected in the prescribed Form B for re-verification. That is what I showed Lordships last time.
And you were found eligible?
Yes.
Whether matter was sent
Accordingly-
to the government?
According to the
I have got it.
Yes.
But the government did not, before the government could take a final call. Yes.
PP daughter is on legs in court number 15, Your Lordship.
We'll send this matter there.
Can be taken up to sometime, Your Lordship.
I've heard it. We have given you opportunity if you can't.
Tomorrow, Your Lordship. Tomorrow, Your Lordship.
No, today.
The Lordship had directed that somebody should be present in the affidavit.
Where is your, what is your instruction?
I'm
Where is
sorry, Your Lordship.
Plans.
Where is your director or the officer authorized?
No,
Affidavit is not filed, a competent officer of the department shall remain present along with the contemporaneous records to assist the learners standing counsel towards disposal of the writ petition. Yes. What about this order?
Lordship, actually, I'm not aware of the matter, Your Lordship. I've received the.
Wait for some time. Tell Mr. Doctor if he does not have the instruction to come along with the officer, with the records. That's the order. And you have not filed any application. Okay. Hey, to diya hai. Review beta. Mr. Gogoi. This review petition, Mr. has submitted that he would be satisfied even if I pass an order applying Om Prakash.
I have no
I
objection.
think we'll hear him. That's his submission. We'll hear him. But we will recall this order, fix it on Thursday, hear the matter,
This week.
or next week.
Next week.
But Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel. for-
Otherwise, Lordship, it cannot be treated as a review order, Lordship.
It's an order, he has filed an application for review. We will call it because he may say that we have some grounds to argue. Call it, recall.
Lordship, I have no.
Why should I prevent?
I have no difficulties, Lord. I have no difficulties.
M.K. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. M. Sharma, Learned Counsels, Learned
Who is by statute?
Counsel appearing for the petitioners in the above noted, review petition. Also heard Mr. K. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, Higher Education Department, and department appearing for the respondents number 1.
My lord, 1, 5.
1,
1, 2, 5.
2, 5, 5. 1, 2, and 5.
1, 2, and 5.
Also, none appears for the other respondent. The present review petition has been instituted, paying for recall of an order dated 25/3/2025 passed by this court in all the writ petitions, na?
They're connected, my lord. One order.
Category 770.
It starts from page 20, my lord.
703/2018.
Yes.
I think was listed as a deputy. If we
708.
can just write down the.
My lord, we'll do that.
Then it will be helpful.
We'll do that, my lord. We'll do that.
Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, Learned Senior, appearing for the petitioner, has submitted that the petitioners in the present writ petition submits that the above order was passed by his court as above order was passed by this court as it was projected at the bar that the decision of this court in the case of Om Prakash Niya. Where is that decision?
My lord, that order is annexed at, my lord, at page 36.
Covered by this court in the case of Om Prakash Shah, SAH,
SAH, my lord.
versus State of Assam and others. There's been an order dated 29/1/2022 in WPC number 805/2017, which is presently pending consideration before the division bench of this court. Also, accordingly, as consented to by the parties, the present the above noted writ petitions were directed by the order dated 25/3/2022, step after the disposal of the said after the disposal of the proceedings, disposal of WA number.
My lord, WA number 138 of 2019.
138 of 2019.
And 417 of 2024.
And 417 of 2024.
417, my lord, stems from Om Prakash Shah.
Yes. Okay. Also, Mr. M.K. Chaudhary has submitted that on a perusal of the decision of this court in Om Prakash Shah, it had come to the notice of the applicants that certain further issues were also required to be raised before this court by the petitioners, and accordingly he prays that the said issues be also considered by this court as at the first instance, and accordingly has prayed for recall of the said order dated 25/3/2025. Mr. K. Gogoi, Learned Counsel, Standing Counsel, Higher Education Department at the outset has submitted that the issue raised by the applicants in the about by the petitioners in the connected writ petitions being already in or being already under consideration by the division bench of this court, a decision of the division bench have a bearing on the issues arising in the petition, and he projects and he submits that it is for the said reason that he had made the submission to take up the present, they have connected with petitions after disposal of the proceedings before the he, however, submits that in the event the petitioners in the above noted writ petition would want to have the above noted writ petition considered on merit before completion of the proceedings before the division, he would have no objection. Also, in view of the above position and the petitioners having prayed for consideration of the issues arising in the above noted writ petitions on merits, this court is of the considered view that the order dated 25/3/2025, which otherwise would be a bar for such consideration on merits, so would mandate to be reviewed, and accordingly, the said order dated 25/3/2025 on review is recalled. Also, the registry to list those matters again when after Bihu?
After Bihu, Lordship, it will be
on Pundina said first week to on 24 connected writ petition Araban Nam likhi diba bagita likhi diba to directed to list the this WTC number so and so on 24/4/2026 for admissions. Also, review petition accordingly stands disposed. I sit in view of the order passed today. No further order is.
Thank you.
What was the conclusion reached last time? Cooperative society sector.
The municipal.
The municipal act, Lordship, here.
Oh, sorry,
Municipal act.
Some municipal.
Assam.
Unfortunately, yesterday I was that 8 things we were doing. I somehow those things just where is that decision in Rupa.co, sorry.
No. Padmini Sinha.
We are dismissing it.
But my lord, voting part, my lord,
Huh?
that voting part, my lord, that is, my lord, 28-2.
On 3 counts, my lord, I have challenged.
No, no, got it, got it. Where is your voting thing, the para?
28(2). Section 28(2). Para 12, my lord.
An elected may be removed from his office. Not less than half of the whole number of commissions shall have given their votes at a meeting specially convened for the purpose. Where is that casting of the vote here?
That is not there, my lord. No, no. That's why, my lord, the procedure prescribed is, my lord, votes. But that
vote can be by.
But that was not done. Raising of hand is also not there.
If there is two candidates, then only the vote will come.
No, no, my lord.
No, no, no.
No, no,
How
the
did they
removal
express
is not
their-
two candidates.
How did they express their that no confidence motion? How it was carried through?
There is minutes, my lord.
Just see the minutes. Sir.
Yes.
No, that,
There is, my lord, 43.
no, that was yes.
There is no any whisper, whether it is raising of hands by secret ballot, nothing, my lord. That is my lord, submission. Page 43.
Opine.
Yes, only opine. That opine has already
See,
been.
it was naturally not recorded in English. It was recorded in.
Yes, my lord. In my lord,
what is
vernacular,
that,
my lord, I have.
serial number.
Vernacular is also, my lord, I have an.
Sorry.
My lord, sorry, পৌৰপতিৰ অনাস্থা প্ৰস্তাৱৰ অপেক্ষে পৌৰসভাৰ 9 জন সদস্যই মত পোষণ কৰে আৰু অনাস্থা প্ৰস্তাৱ গৃহীত কৰা হয়।
10 number word of come. Okay. Read this. পৌৰপতি
অনাস্থা প্ৰস্তাৱৰ সপক্ষে পৌৰসভাৰ 9 জন সদস্যই মত পোষণ কৰে। মত পোষণ means, my lord, opine. Yes,
express their view.
My lord, but my lord, my lord, procedure prescribed in the act, my lord, is, my lord,
vote.
And that is the, my lord, procedure adopted. They have adopted in the next subsequent meeting, that page 49. Page 49.
How many members are there in the board?
Total vote.
Not total.
Not 10, including me.
9 said.
Anyway, my lord, I am regarding the procedure prescribed in the law, my lord, municipal act. This is the, my lord, procedure they have followed in the, my lord, subsequent meeting, my lord.
No.
That page 51.
I got it. So your grievance is threefold. No votes.
Yes, no votes, my lord. Minutes of the meeting had not been recorded in the proceeding book. And thirdly, my lord, minutes of the meeting had not been approved in the subsequent meeting. That I have annexed, my lord. Yes. And that is the, my lord.
Section 43.
43(3). Oh, sorry, 47(3). Subsequent meeting minutes, my lord, I have.
Then third count.
No
votes, no vote cast.
Yes, my lord.
With minutes not approved. Third
not recorded the minutes in the proceeding book of the, my lord, board.
That's the second group.
Yes, sir. That is the requirement, my lord. 47(1).
Yes. Anything, Mr.
Yes, retaliate with this point, Lordship.
I have also, sorry, my lord. I have also annexed the, my lord, subsequent meetings, my lord, minutes, my lord. That lordship will find page 49. There is no any, my lord, whisper as regards the previous meeting. That is the no confidence motion.
Yes, Mr. Goswami.
Lordship, regarding that, Lordship, we filed an affidavit, Lordship. Affidavit filed by the Madhumita Bora, Lordship. Herein, Lordship, respondent.
Page 78, yes.
Yes, here, Lordship, in page 123, Lordship. Page 123, paragraph 4, that the deponent begs to submit that before your Lordship that the aforesaid chairman Rupa Datta, it means.
Para.
Yes, para 4, Lordship. Lordship, I referred one earlier order of this court, Lordship.
That is that.
Yes.
Rupa Datta.
Yes. In that language is similar to my case, Lordship. regarding the no confidence motion, Lordship.
You are referring to para 4.
Yes.
Deponent had been discharging her duties till so and so.
Court against the resolution that it is come from the para 3, Lordship.
Some problem. There is only one affidavit.
The Lordship is affidavit filed by the Madhumita Bora, Lordship.
Respondent number?
Lordship, respondent.
He is a government official.
No, Lordship, is a chairman, Lordship, present chairman, Lordship.
Madhumita Bora, huh?
Yes.
Aged about 47.
Yes.
Para 4.
Para 3 and 4, Lordship.
That with regard to the statements made in the deponent has no comments to me.
3 and 4, Lordship. It is page 122, Lordship. Page 122.
Okay.
That the deponent
There are
makes.
2 affidavits filed.
Yes, Lordship.
Right, Mr. Sharma, 2 affidavits
Yes,
filed.
yes.
Para says so and so, so and so.
Similar.
Express no confidence. Okay.
Similar resolution has been taken to Titapur Municipal Board wherein anonymously expressed no confidence motion against the chairman, Srimati Rupa Datta Soigya of Titapur Municipal Board, and a resolution resolved to move her from the post.
Okay.
And in the same language, dear Lordship.
Rupa Datta case, my lord, with regard to my lord timing, whether my lord within 20 days, my lord, but there is no, my lord, the issue has decided, my lord, that as regards courts, my lord.
No decisions on your part. Any decisions you really? Okay. Dismissed. You will get the order on Wednesday.
Lords.
Remove videos. There were 2 files in my table. One is Rupanjali Das. Other one was Rupjoti, Joy Roida case to give Jyoti, something. I prepared my notes and all, everything that. Only today morning I came to know it is not that, it is this.
Anyway,
The instruction that issue.
Whether the process under 10.4 was taken to its logical conclusion.
Lordship, in view of paragraph 2 of the instruction, Lordship, may I pray the matter may be taken up day after tomorrow?
Why?
that N. Khatonia will
It
apply.
does not say Khatoniar will appear. It says you coordinate with Mr. Khaton. You're not in talking terms with Mr.
Lordship, we have talking, but due to his some urgency, due to his daughter's problem.
This is not the instruction that I wanted.
Lordship.
This you keep it to yourself. What I want is whether 10-4
He was
in respect of the petitioners have been completed.
Lordship. My instruction that as I have been requested by N. Khatonia, due to his some daughter's problem, he has to left Lordship today. So
We don't know Mr. Khatonia.
Lordship. So I am praying on his behalf to take up the matter day after tomorrow, Lordship.
When are you going, Mr. Gupta?
I'm here tomorrow, Lordship. You can accommodate me tomorrow.
You're traveling day after.
I'm traveling tomorrow evening. Lordship can accommodate because I'm just finally it's between you and the court and the respondent. But the very fact that today nobody is here shows scant regard. Neither they file an affidavit, neither an officer. That is a scant regard to the court's order.
We take it in the usual stride, Mr. Goswami.
That's right, but then there was a preemptive order.
Lordship, I was in the morning, I was here, Lordship, but I was on leg, Lordship. When the matter was
The direction is.
Lordship, I apologize for that, Lordship.
Direction is, Mr. Doctor,
Lordship,
in the event the said affidavit is not filed,
Lordship.
the officer competent will be here. Where is the officer? And who is this Mr. Chaudhary to write all those things? Tell him we know the law. We want the facts. Where is the facts? He seems to be a very knowledgeable person. Ask him to come tomorrow. We'll interact with him. Or if he can come by 4 o'clock, I'm here.
Day after tomorrow,
Not
Lordship.
today.
Day after tomorrow, Lordship, I am praying on behalf of Mr. Khatonia. One chance may be granted to Khatonia will also address Lordship as he is taking all this matter together, Lordship.
Mr. Goswami, you have got your point. We are fixing it on 6th, 2 p.m. You come online.
6 o'clock.
Any problem? 6, 7, no problem. Whenever it's there.
Just one moment.
You take a date on your.
I don't want it to be delayed beyond the point, Lordship. 6 2 p.m. is fine, Lordship.
A prayer is made on Mr. BP Koto, Dr. Learned, Standing Counsel, Secondary Education Department. Submits that he has received instructions in the matter, which reveal that the petitioners claim for provincialization of their services, the provisions of the Act of 2011 would not mandate an acceptance. So, this court has perused the said instructions received by Mr. Dr. However, this court finds that there is no reference to the facts as projected in the writ petition. So, Mr. Dr. at this stage has submitted that the similar matters are being handled by Mr. N.J. Khatonia, and the department also decided that this case be also conducted by him. However, on account of some pressing family emergency, he had to leave the court. So, in view of the above situation, this court directs that this court requires the registry to list this matter again on 6/4/2024 at 2 p.m. On the next date of listing, in the event the facts requisite to appreciate the stand of the respondents with regard to the facts highlighted in the writ petition is not placed before this court would consider passing state orders as may be made.
May I have a copy of the instructions?
No, that is instruction at this stage.
Mr. Goswami, don't waste your time.
কোনো facts নাই দাদা
2011. Waste your time. These are knowledges given to judges
By very
for their
senior bureaucrats.
upgradation of continued legal education
Or by senior bureaucrats.
by senior. By education. Next date, 6th. Let's see. And Mr. Doctor, I don't get the facts. You know what the facts are. 10-4. I don't get it.
I'm not pleading, Lordship.
Are you filing an affidavit?
I don't want an affidavit. I want your instruction materials. Yes, no, and we should be able to come to a conclusion. That's all. So Kusum, you come online.